Managing diabetes naturally requires a strategic approach to diet, and three powerhouse foods, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, and whole grains, stand out for their ability to regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of complications. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are among the most nutrient-dense foods for diabetics due to their exceptionally low glycemic index, minimal carbohydrate content, and high concentrations of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These vegetables are packed with magnesium, which plays a key role in glucose metabolism by enhancing insulin function, while their high fiber content slows digestion, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes and promoting prolonged satiety. Additionally, leafy greens contain alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce nerve damage associated with diabetic neuropathy, making them a crucial component of a diabetes-friendly diet. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, offer a unique combination of healthy fats, plant-based protein, and fiber, all of which contribute to stabilized blood glucose levels by slowing carbohydrate absorption and reducing post-meal sugar surges. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in nuts, such as those found in almonds and walnuts, improve lipid profiles by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL cholesterol, addressing common cardiovascular risks in diabetics. Furthermore, nuts and seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, which collectively combat inflammation, enhance insulin signaling, and protect against oxidative stress, key factors in managing type 2 diabetes. Chia and flax seeds, in particular, are exceptional due to their high soluble fiber content, which forms a gel-like substance in the gut, further delaying glucose absorption and promoting gut health through prebiotic effects. Whole grains like quinoa, steel-cut oats, barley, and brown rice provide a superior alternative to refined grains, as they retain their bran and germ, ensuring a rich supply of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that refined grains lack. The soluble fiber in oats, specifically beta-glucan, has been extensively studied for its ability to improve glycemic control by slowing gastric emptying and reducing insulin resistance, while quinoa offers a rare plant-based complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that support muscle maintenance and metabolic health. Barley, another underrated whole grain, contains resistant starch that acts similarly to fiber, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving long-term glucose metabolism. Unlike refined carbohydrates, whole grains have a low glycemic load, meaning they release glucose gradually into the bloodstream, preventing the sharp spikes and crashes that exacerbate diabetes. Together, these three food groups create a synergistic effect in diabetes management. Leafy greens provide essential micronutrients and antioxidants, nuts and seeds deliver healthy fats and protein for sustained energy, and whole grains offer complex carbohydrates that maintain steady blood sugar levels. Incorporating these foods into daily meals, such as a breakfast of oatmeal topped with chia seeds and walnuts, a lunch featuring a kale and quinoa salad with flaxseed dressing, and a dinner of grilled salmon with steamed spinach and barley, can lead to measurable improvements in HbA1c levels, reduced insulin resistance, and better overall metabolic health. Beyond their direct effects on blood sugar, these foods also address secondary complications of diabetes, such as cardiovascular disease and inflammation, by improving cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and enhancing vascular function. For optimal results, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet that limits processed sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats while emphasizing whole, minimally processed foods. When combined with regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and stress management, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, and whole grains can serve as foundational elements of a natural, effective strategy for controlling diabetes without excessive reliance on medication, empowering individuals to take charge of their health through mindful nutrition. The scientific evidence supporting these foods is robust, with numerous studies demonstrating their benefits for glycemic control, making them indispensable tools in the fight against diabetes and its associated risks. By consistently prioritizing these nutrient-rich options, individuals with diabetes can not only manage